The Little Star Who Got Lost. Once upon a time, high above the clouds, there lived a tiny star named Twila. She was the smallest star in the whole sky, but she shone with the brightest giggle. Every night, all the stars twinkled together, guiding sailors on the sea and lighting the dreams of children below. One evening, Twila wanted to see the world more closely. She wiggled and wobbled, and oops, she slipped right out of the sky. Down, down, down she floated, landing softly in a meadow filled with dandelions. "Oh no," Twila whispered. "How will I find my way home?" The kind fireflies buzzed around her. "Don't be afraid," they said. "We will glow beside you." The wise old owl hooted. "Follow the river, little star. It will show you the way back to the sky." Twila walked bravely, her light sparkling gently on the water. The river curved, the hills rolled, and finally, there it was, a rainbow ladder reaching up into the night. The moon smiled and said, "Welcome home, little one. The sky missed you." Twila twinkled even brighter than before, because now she knew even the smallest star has friends to help her shine. And from that night on, when children looked out their windows, they could always see Twila, the little star who once got lost, but never felt alone again.